What's up, you guys? It's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. So before we get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Press that bell button if you'd like to stay tuned with more of my videos, and let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so I went to my local Halloween store and I went and purchased a bunch of things. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is the liquid latex glue. This is what they use in the special effects world of makeup. It came in this little bottle with a sponge. Next, I have the blood gel, and this is what it looks like. And then I have scar putty. And of course, some tissues. These were $1 at the dollar store. Okay, you guys, so I'm so ready for October, y'all. I just wanted to go ahead and get the practice out the way. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm thinking about doing like a mouth, something with my mouth, like something crazy with my mouth. I want to do a simple eye and like a dramatic mouth. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, of course, take the latex out the packet. So I'm gonna pour some of that. Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Wow. That came out fast. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous because I did it once, but it's been a minute. So yeah, I'm just gonna. It stinks. It's strong. Ooh, it's making my eyes water. It stinks. So now I'm gonna take the tissue and I'm going to peel it in half, because you know tissues come put together. So I'm gonna peel it in half and I'm going to rip it. Wait, that didn't work. Let's try this. Yeah. So you gotta put it on when it's wet. So you have to put it on there as soon as it's wet because it dries really fast. So I'm going to take my foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible Ultra 24-Hour Fresh Wear, the one I always use. If you're new, then I always use this for the outside of my face. It's in the color 525. And I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage. Baby, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and get you this because it's like very cheap and affordable at Ulta, and I love it. This was when I was like though in the winter time. And it's in the color F13, and I'm gonna put that in my T-zone. So I'm just going to put the foundation on like regular, like if I was just being regular with it. And I'm gonna go in with the Real Techniques blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that stuff out. Damn. So I'm gonna go over the top of my brow with this one, the lighter one. Alright, so now that I'm done everything, I'm gonna go in and cover this up. So I'm gonna actually cover it up with the darker one. Alright, y'all, so I'm tired of sitting like this, so now it's time to go ahead and cut my mouth. Oh, that looks pretty scary. Back in action. Alright, so I want to get my scissors, and I really want it wider than that, so I'm just gonna cut right here on the sides. And I'm gonna put some foundation on the inside of that. I'm gonna go in with the 3503 Fierce by Nature Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna make it dark in the inside of my mouth. Let's go in with this black right here. Let's just go in with black. Go big, go home. I hope this don't break me out, because this shit itch. For real, for real. And I'm going to put like this burgundy right here. Because you know, skin when it's like red, it's kind of like, you know. Yes. And then mix it in with the black. Yes. Look like I got beat up. Look at that. So I'm gonna go in and try to like cut the excess off. And I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm gonna contour my face with the reds, as always. Now I'm going back in with the Morphe palette, and I'm going to highlight my face, you guys, with this one right here. Now, time for the fun part. We're gonna go in with the blood gel, and I'm not gonna put this on with. I'm gonna take a sponge. I got some sponges laying around. I got these from Walgreens. It's a bunch of sponges, 19, and they're really cute. Take a black one because if it's dirty, it's gonna bother me. Ew, it's really nasty. Ooh, look like blood clots. That was real nasty to say. TMI, but it does. So maybe I should have like actually brought blood and then blood gel, because this is way too thick.